Hey, it's Nicola Toon here from Hulu Photography in Cambridge, Ontario, and I'm coming to you live from my bedroom where I've grabbed a quick few moments away from the chaos of family life. I have been in business as a photographer for coming up to 8 years, which is crazy. I can't even believe it's been quite so long. But I've been loving every minute of it, ups and downs, as you all know. And I'm really very much looking forward to coming to the Uncommon Creative Conference that's happening this September in Niagara. First of all, I think it's amazing that we have such an incredible opportunity to us that are local to the Southern Ontario area or Canada at all. We have such an incredible opportunity to have such amazing talent coming to our own backyard. And that is something I'm super grateful for and want to be supportive of as much as possible. The second thing is I'm really looking forward to actually networking and meeting some of you face to face. So many of you that I've conversed with over social media, we're in very much a digital world, as you know, not only with our work and our photography, but also in our relationships with each other. And I think networking in this industry face to face is such a powerful tool, and I'm really looking forward to developing some of the relationships with some of you, learning from the best and sharing some of my best practices also. So look forward to seeing you guys in September, where I can get more than just a couple minutes break from my children. I love them dearly, but let's not lie, it's going to be great to get away for a few days. See you then.